Shiv Sena has launched a blistering attack on the Modi government. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut in a party mouthpiece Samna has claimed that Indian states can break away like it happened in Russia as there's no revenue. Sanjay Raut slammed central government for sidelining the opposition-ruled states, and he attacked the Prime Minister Modi in his mouthpiece. He claimed that Prime Minister Modi's responsibility is to bring states together. However, the BJP is killing the federal system by destabilizing non-BJP ruled states. Sena also claimed that India's democracy is in danger. Raut took a jibe with the Modi government, saying that sentimental issues like Ram Mandir are brought up, but government is not bothered about sentiments of the farmers. He further slammed centre over the economic crisis in the country. He accused the BJP-led government of having money to fight for elections, but not for healthcare infrastructure. Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us live. Mustafa, walk our viewers through the spate of allegations that have been made by Sanjay Raut in the official mouthpiece of the Shiv Sena, Samna.
Well, yes, there has been a lot of, you can say, be it West Bengal, be it Maharashtra, between the state governments and the centre, there's a power tussle going on. And referring to the same, Sanjay Raut has went on to say that if this kind of pressure will be brought on the states, which are non-BJP states, then it will be difficult for the federal structure of the democracy to sustain, and some states will break away like the USSR. That's the analogy which Sanjay Raut has drawn. He has said that be it West Bengal, be it Maharashtra, be it Punjab, the farmers' issue, the people, the governments, wherever there is a non-BJP government, the central government is putting pressures. The central government is using the central investigation agencies and making sure that, like in Madhya Pradesh and other states, the governments fall and then BJP can make their own government. The editorial also referred to a statement made by Vijay Vargiya in which Vijay Vargiya said that Prime Minister played an important role in the Madhya Pradesh government formation. So these are the things on which the Shiv Sena is referring again and again. What they are saying is that it looks like the Maharashtra government and the West Bengal government somewhere are finding a common ground against the interference by central government. Back to you.
Mustafa, also get us a sense of whether the BJP, at least in Maharashtra for that matter, has responded. All right, we're getting a reaction coming in from the BJP. Hold on right there, Mustafa. Shaina NC of the Bharatiya Janata Party joins us. Shaina, I do not know whether you've taken a look at the Samna editorial today, but there's a huge claim that has been made by Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut saying that democracy is in danger in this country under the government of Prime Minister Modi.
Well, this is not the first time that an editorial has been written against Prime Minister Modi. But every time they choose to give these kind of unsubstantiated critiques, I would want to question, where is the proactiveness of this so-called loudmouths who only believe in writing editorials and have not even read the writing on the wall, whether it's a public mandate or a referendum of people selecting Prime Minister Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party, whether it is a Bihar election or whether it is a corporation election or whether it is a panchayat election. Isn't that the mandate of the public, or is it only about saying that, oh, you are being unjust and unfair to certain states for your own political one-upmanship, when every state has been given provisions? The interaction between the centre and the state is not based on which government is in which state, but based on the development plan that Prime Minister Modi has for an Atmanirbhar India. So for all those critiques, please think and speak, because there is a public that is watching you and is only going to boot you out when it comes to voting for you.
You know, he has also gone ahead and said, Sanjay Raut, that sentimental issues like Ram Mandir are constantly being brought up by the BJP, but the government in power today is not bothered about the sentiment of the farmers. How would you respond to this allegation? And not just that, he has spoken about how the healthcare infrastructure is being ignored as well, while the BJP has the money to fight for the elections.
Well, I really don't want to comment on Mr. Raut because he is a repeat offender. Please understand that Prime Minister Modi has an agenda, which is an inclusive agenda. You talk about farmers. Farmers are being given their due and more. Gone are the days of freebies, subsidies, soft. This is the time of making sure that every farmer is economically empowered technology is used to the best availability. Middlemen are done away with.
But Shaina, just to play devil's advocate here,
corporate
the farmers are protesting. The farmers are not happy with the new farm laws that have been brought forth by the Modi government. And I'm just playing devil's advocate here.
So, well, I think you should look at a majority opinion and you should look at the long-term benefits that farmers benefit across the country, not in A particular state or B particular state. Do understand that every critique of Mr. Raut, whether it is farmers, whether it is saying the health infrastructure, let's understand India has fought COVID and Corona the best world over. And you talk about the economy, please look at the growth in India, be it the stock market, the real estate sector, the manufacturing units like automobile industries, vis-a-vis the rest of the world. So just to critique is very easy. Pen down your thoughts, but sometimes think about what you're penning, because this is a united country that's working towards development at every level under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. And for those who only choose to be loudmouths, I'd like to say actions speak louder than words.
All right, Shaina, appreciate you taking the time out this morning and joining us with that particular reaction. We'll get a reaction coming in from Shiv Sena very soon on what Shaina has said.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.